Hello everyone, today we're going to make a very tasty Palak Gosht recipe. My family is not very fond of spinach, but this is the recipe that everybody loves in my house. So if your child does not like spinach, try this recipe, I'm sure they will love it. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. In a pressure cooker, add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. To it, I'm adding 8 finely chopped garlic cloves. Saute for a minute. Now adding 700 grams of meat. I have taken goat meat. Now we're going to cook this on high flame for about 5 to 8 minutes. Adding 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, half tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves or Kasuri Methi, 2 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 2 teaspoon of salt or add as desired, 1 tomato roughly cut, 2 onion roughly cut. Mix everything together. Adding 100 ml of water. Just make sure not to add too much water as we do not want the consistency to be runny. Pressure cook until the meat gets cooked completely. So after 20 minutes, the meat is completely cooked and this is what it looks like for me. I'm going to reduce the water just a little more as I like dry consistency. Now adding 350 grams of chopped spinach. Cook on high flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm covering with a lid and cooking on low heat for 15 minutes. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel.